Hello, good morning students. I, Mrs. Ambika Prasad Nipani, going to discuss about your BCA third year subject, software engineering, in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. You are now in a very terrific situation, so that we cannot move out and we cannot carry on our normal classroom teaching. In this situation, in order to carry on our topics, we have to start our unit 1. In unit 1 of software engineering, you have introduction to software engineering, in which you have different topics like software development life cycle, classical waterfall model, iterative waterfall model, prototype model, evolutionary model, spiral model, and comparison of different models. At first, we will discuss about what is software. Economy of developed nation dependent upon the software nowadays with. As we all know that all activities of the country are software controlled. To develop such efficient systems, well-developed professional software are highly needed. A software is a collection of integrated programs and instructions that instructs the computer what to do. This is a common definition, those we already know. Let us know what are the types of software that we can develop. We can develop different type of softwares. Out of those, some of the operating systems are like your Mac OS, Linux, Windows, Microsoft Windows, game engines, industrial automation systems, software as a service applications, etc. Now come to our topic, software engineering. Software engineering is an engineering discipline whose aim is to develop a cost-effective software with high quality. It is concerned with all aspects of software production. For this, the software developers have to adopt systematic and organized techniques of software development. Software engineering enables the developer to develop a qualitative software that fulfills the customer's needs very well. Those are the commonly usable things that a software requires, and all those requirements can be added by the developer as per the user's requirements and customers' efficiency of using it. Let us come to one important concept, that is software engineering is a science or an art. Software engineering is the science and an art of building well-planned software systems. Those can be dependent upon some concepts like on time, on budget, with acceptable performance, with correct operation. The software should be developed on time so that the customer can use it for its purpose at the time of requirement of the software. It should be unbudgeted so that the developer and the customer both can afford the software to develop and use it and get an adequate profit. With acceptable performance, the software should contain acceptable performances so that it can be reliable for the user to use it. It should contain correct operations so that the operations will fulfill the requirements of the customer very frequently. Now come to the point, scope of software engineering. That is very important to be known by us. The software engineering deals with systematic and cost-effective techniques of software development. The development may lead to past experiences or present-day situations. The development techniques enhanced because of past mistakes also. The mistakes we have made at the time of developing different softwares make us enable to develop a more efficient system at present. And the developers gain experience in developing new techniques so that the latest problems can be rectified by the old mistakes. This process requires implementation of latest software development and application of adequate solution techniques. Those solution techniques can be very well implemented by the users whenever they require. Software development is generally performed by large organizations, small organizations, teams, and individuals. Large organizations develop more crucial and riskier softwares so that it can be developed in a perfect manner. The embedded systems which contains more sophisticated time requirement to be fulfilled and more complex architectures to be used and develop the software. the small organizations develop application softwares used for crucial applications. The teams of software developers are utilizing their efficiency in developing the softwares in groups so that the group can perform different type of activities according to the modules of the software product. The softwares also can be developed using different individuals so that if we have any small applications or smaller requirements, those can be developed in an easier and simpler manner with uh, the specific individuals techniques. Thank you. This is the partial part of your unit 1. The rest part will complete in the next topic. Thank you.